Hi, honey. I am so proud of you. And what a wonderful celebration Kaaren is putting on to honor you. You know, you've always been a really caring, loving person. Do you remember when you were in high school, you were a candy striper and you would bring flowers and mail to patients? And then Sharon Oswald had a project going on weekends. You'd help her and other students get food to needy people. And even before that, when you were still in grade school, do you remember the puppies that somebody left in a box outside the Cliff House restaurant? And you lugged that box home and we lived with the pups for a few days. And then one Saturday morning, you stood outside Art's grocery store with a sign, "Free puppies," until each one of them had a home. That's what you do, honey. You care and you make a difference in people's lives. I'm so happy for this day. Bye-bye.
Hey, Kaaren. I know that you're really enjoying this well-deserved celebration. So congratulations and enjoy everything.
So talking about Kaaren today, and she was always a good student. Of course, she was reading before she even went to school. And in our family, and in the Reynolds family, some of which were suspect people, we always played games, word games. And I remember one time in these word games that we were on the dinner table and something came out of Karen's mouth the wrong way. And I, with a little much too enthusiasm, caught her, and that was a big mistake. And I forget what came out of her mouth, but the grammar was not correct. So anyway, I didn't think anything of it because we played that game all the time. Well, she was lying in ambush, and so I forgot all about it. And a week or two later, I said something that came corkscrewed out of my mouth, and she pounced. And I wiggled and tried to get out of it, but her mother, being the English teacher umpire, ruled me out. And Kaaren had the most pleased, satisfied look on her face that she had gotten her dad. And so anyway, today, to bring us up to date, when you ask Kaaren a question and there's a pause and you can just see the convolutions of her brain undulating, and she'll come up with a reasoned, logical answer, and it'll all be grammatical. And that's all I have to say.
David and I are still living in the house that Kaaren grew up in suburban Tacoma, surrounded by grandparents, aunts and uncles, cousins here on Puget Sound. She occasionally walked 2 miles up to her grade school. And then in the late 60s, she was part of the desegregation efforts of the Tacoma Public Schools and bused 10 miles with some of her friends over to a predominantly black neighborhood to go to school. And then on to high school. She was part of the first women's cross-country running team. So, of course, she always excelled academically. But what I think of her as the best aspect is the way she cares for others. The way she cares for her family, the way she cares for us, and especially her children. And so it's not a surprise that she works for a community called Caring. And so congratulations, dear Kaaren, for a career well done. We love you.
Kaaren, I am so happy that you are being honored in this way, and I'm so pleased that I'm able to be here to say some of the many nice words that I have about you. I have always admired you for your compassion and for your commitment to taking care of the underserved. And I feel very happy to have known you and to have interacted with you over your many years in Charlotte. I was particularly happy when you won the Maribel Conrad Award. I had the privilege of meeting Maribel Conrad probably in 1981 when she invited my colleague, Melvin Penn, and I from Neighborhood Health Center to come see Community Health Services and to talk to us about what she did and how she could help the poor patients that we saw. She was a person of great determination and vision. And I remember that when you got the award, one of your nice qualities is that you're absolutely the opposite of self-promoting, and you weren't really sure you were the right person. But I want to tell you, you were absolutely the right person. And Maribel Conrad would have been so happy to know what you've done with the organizations that she founded and to have you get the award in her honor. And I have one more memory I want to share with you. When you first came to town, you and Twan and your two daughters, your son wasn't born, came to our house. And my son Jeremy and Audrey were little, like 3 or 4, and they went off and they did a play and then they performed it for us. And it just makes me smile to think all those years back and how far we've come and how very far our children have come since those days. So I hope you completely enjoyed this celebration in your honor.
Hey, Dr. Sailer. First of all, I want to say congratulations on 20 years. What a wonderful accomplishment. To be in a place for so long, that means you are dear to many, many people, and we do treasure you, and you are very dear to me. And I want to say thank you for all your support, for always being there. You're always a text or a phone call away, and I appreciate that. I look up to you. I admire your strength and your beauty. Wanted to tell a funny story. One of my fondest memories with you and Jenny was the time that you wanted to take us to Tupelo Honey on South End, and we decided that we were going to walk to lunch. So we walked and 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 walked, and when we knew we had been walking for a whole hour and never got to the place where we wanted to go, so we realized that we were lost. So we ended up eating at Brugger Bagels and calling our then supervisor to come pick us up from wherever we were on South Boulevard, because otherwise we were going to be another hour late getting back to work on our feet. And if you guys know, Dr. Sailer walks really, really, really fast. So we definitely got our steps in that day and our exercise, but we didn't get to where we wanted to go, but it was very enjoyable time walking and just talking with you and Jenny, and that's one of my fondest memories with you. Really enjoyed our time together here, and I love you very much, and I appreciate you, and thank you for everything you have always done for me.
Dr. Sailer, I just want to congratulate you on your 20 years of service with Caring. You have been so dedicated to making sure that people in Charlotte who can't afford medical care are given service in a very comprehensive, caring way. And I think that's wonderful. And to me, it's a shining example of how medical care should be delivered.
So I'm very excited to have a chance to talk a little bit about Kaaren Sailer. I was the executive director at Caring for 8.5 years. And that entire time, Dr. Sailer was our medical director. She still is today. And it's so exciting that she's now been providing this leadership for 20 years. When I was there, many of you who have gotten to know Kaaren like I did, she's a very humble, somewhat quiet, always very calm leader, but she's fearless. She's a bulldog. She is totally committed to providing excellent care to everyone that needs it, regardless of their background. I have considered her sort of the conscience of Caring. Like when we think about what that agency is for the decades it's been doing business and will be doing out into the future, it really starts with Kaaren and her willingness to do whatever it takes to help people in need. I have told on many occasions donors or board members in the community, what is the secret sauce? What is it about Caring? Why does it work? I said, it's Kaaren. She is our own Charlotte's Mother Teresa. She has this commitment to help people, regardless of their background. And you would ask, where do you start? Start with the person closest to you. Whoever walks in the door that day gets the most dignified, best treatment you can get anywhere in Charlotte. And it's just a beautiful testament to her and to who she is. And it's absolutely fantastic to be able to celebrate her 20 years of giving back to making our community better. So congratulations, Kaaren.
As a couple, I know her husband, Tuan Nguyen, very well. He's one of my partners on the trauma service at Atrium Health. But we got to know them as a couple and as a family over the years. I know the work that is done at Caring, and I know the passion that Kaaren has for taking care of the underserved. The programs that have been sponsored by Caring over the years, particularly Physicians Reach Out, where I had the opportunity briefly to be involved in that program, just speaks to her compassion and her recognition that all of us really deserve excellent health care. And so it's been a very, very quick 20 years. It's hard to believe that 20 years has passed since they've been here in Charlotte. But it's a wonderful opportunity for us to sit back and recognize all that Kaaren has contributed to the community and to Caring. Kaaren, on behalf of myself, certainly on behalf of myself and Rosalind, we want to congratulate you on 20 illustrious years at Caring. You've made phenomenal contributions to Charlotte and to Caring, and we wish you the best and another 20 years at Caring.
Hi, Dr. Sailer. We just want to say happy anniversary. Thank you so much just for being just a nice human being, and we want to say that thank you so much for all you do for Caring. You know, just a doctor, you are a really good person, and the work in Caring really appreciate that.
Hi, Dr. Sailer. I also wanted to give you thanks for everything you do to the clinic, for the clinic. You're such an amazing person and doctor, and happy anniversary.
Hi, Dr. Sailer. Happy anniversary, 20 years. Wow, that's a long way to go. We appreciate you, we love you, and we just want to thank you for everything you do for our patients. We know how much you love and care for our patients, and also for our Caring and all the workers here. We love you so much, and we hope to work with you many more years. We love you. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Sailer, for everything you've done for this clinic. We appreciate you, and happy 20th anniversary.
Happy anniversary, Dr. Sailer. We are so happy that you have contributed all your years here with us at Caring. Your amazing spirit has been essential to the growth of Caring, and we love you, and we hope that you enjoy your 20th anniversary and you continue to be here with us. Happy anniversary.
Kaaren, thank you for 20 years of service to Caring. Your unwavering commitment to provide access to quality health care is a gift to our community, and United Way is thankful for all you do. Again, congratulations on 20 years of stellar service.
Dr. Sailer, congratulations again on 20 years of service to the Caring community. On behalf of Mecklenburg County Public Health, our residents and families, we appreciate your service so much. Your commitment to Mecklenburg County families, the most vulnerable in our community, to making sure that they have what they need to live a healthy life, the supports, the services. We just can't thank you enough for your service and your commitment to this community, and we wish you well, and here's to 20 more years of service. Thank you.
My name is Dean Sykins, and I'm a board member of Caring. When I joined the Caring board 7 years ago, it did not take me long to hear about Dr. Sailer. I did not fully comprehend her impact in the beginning. After 7 years on the board, I can't comprehend Caring without her for the last 20 years. We all have experiences with the healthcare industry as patients, and some of us in our day jobs. But if you understood the challenges that exist with our patient population, you will understand how unique Dr. Sailer's combination of empathy, patience, kindness, and skill are in this world. I am so happy to honor her after 20 years of service and look forward to many more. My father always told me, if you do good, you will do well. And you have done very well, Dr. Sailer. You have truly made a difference. Thank you.
Hello, Dr. Sailer. Thank you. Wow, 20 years. Thank you for the care that you give to our patients and to our staff. It has been wonderful working with you the past 8 years, and I hope that you enjoy your 20 years anniversary. Congratulations.
Hi, Dr. Sailer. Happy 20th anniversary with Kaaren Clinic. I know not only is Kaaren Clinic really lucky to have you as their medical director, but so am I to have you as a mentor. You've been so gracious, thoughtful, compassionate with just checking in on me and having meetings with me just to make sure that I'm feeling good about the transition that I've had here at Caring. You've been so empathetic and just shown such unwavering strength and intelligence and compassion for so many of the staff here. And I'm so lucky to have met you, and you serve as a great example of what I want to be as a physician. So thank you so much.
Hi, Dr. Sailer. Happy 20th anniversary. Thank you for everything you have done at Caring.
Congratulations.
Congratulations on 20 years, Dr. Sailer. That's an amazing accomplishment, and we're so thankful for all that you do for our patients.
Wishing you all the best in your future endeavors.
Congratulations, Dr. Sailer, on 20 years of service at Caring. It was truly an honor to work alongside of you and to support the work in your clinic. Every day I would see the lives that you touched and the impact you were making. Your leadership, your principled nature, and your kind heart have made a lasting impact on me, on the people you serve, and our community's healthcare safety net. Congratulations.
Hi, Dr. Sailer. Congratulations on 20 years at Caring. And I wanted to take this time just to let you know how much it has meant to me to be able to work with you. You are such a steadfast servant leader, so knowledgeable and smart and willing to share anytime I ask or call you for a consult. And I so appreciate the wisdom and the guidance that you have provided me over the years that we've worked together. I think we share a common love for this patient population that we work with, and seeing how you interact and how gentle but yet strong you are all at the same time with the patients and even with the staff has really helped to mold me into a better provider. It influenced my growth and without a doubt helped me to be a much better practitioner. And so I just wanted to say thank you, and that I will forever be grateful for all that you have shown me and given me over the years.
Hi, Dr. Sailer. This is Michael Tomczyk from the Board of Directors. I just want to say thank you so much for the truly massive impact you have had in our community over these past 20 years, and how you have helped Caring to serve untold thousands of people who otherwise may not have access to the kind of quality healthcare that you have led our team for 2 decades in providing. So thank you so much for everything you have done, and a very happy 20th anniversary to you.
Congratulations, Kaaren, on 20 amazing years with Caring. It's hard to believe that we were both children when we started this endeavor. I believe you were pregnant with Ryan when we first met, and he has to be a grown man by now. And both of us are becoming middle-aged women, which I don't think either of us envisioned. But I'm so proud that you've remained with Caring for 20 years. You've seen it through so much growth and transition, and I could not be more proud of the organization or more proud to have you as a friend and a colleague. So congratulations on 20 years. Thank you for growing with Caring and for all your leadership. I love you dearly. Here's to you and to 20 more years.
Congratulations on your wonderful medical career. To my mind, you represent the best of our profession in terms of caring for the poor and the sick and devoting your career to it. You are well deserving of the Maribel Conrad Award for your service. I wish you all the best.
Hello, Dr. Sailer. My name is Mark Shear. I'm the Deputy Director at the North Carolina Association of Free and Charitable Clinics. All of us at the association want to congratulate you on your phenomenal 20 years of service at Caring. Under your direction, the clinics have been able to provide care to numerous people who desperately need it but cannot afford care. Again, thank you for your service to the clinic and to the community of Charlotte.
I'm Karen Chandler with Healthy Charlotte Alliance.
I'm here today to say congratulations and what a wonderful 20 years it has been for Dr. Sailer and her impact and influence with Caring in the community. We support you, we love you, we're so happy to be a part of this celebration with you today. And we were also very fortunate to be part of the inception of the PRO, which is still near and dear to our hearts. We will continue to support Caring and all the good work that they do in the community. So thank you all and congratulations, Dr. Sailer.
Hi, Dr. Sailer, Molly Pliska here. And I really hate that I can't be with you at your 20-year celebration of your service at Caring. And you've done so much for Caring, but more importantly, so much for all the patients that you've served in the clinic. And I don't know if you remember, but the clinic was one of my passions when I was a board member, and you've created quite the legacy. I wish you all the best, 20 more years in whatever you choose to do, but Caring is so lucky, as are the patients, to have you. Thanks.
I met Dr. Sailer, goodness, about 9 years ago when I first joined Caring's board. It was obvious at that time that her passion and commitment and the people she served was a facet of everything that she was doing day in and day out. Her unyielding commitment to this community and the people is something that is unique, especially in today's society when everybody's running around fast and furious, frankly sprinting and staring at their shoelaces, not paying attention to what's going on or the people around them. Dr. Sailer is the antithesis of that. She takes the time to get to know people, and she genuinely cares. I mean, it's obviously in her commitment and how long she's been working with Caring and the people that she's been serving. It's incredibly unusual. We need more people like Dr. Sailer in this planet and frankly in this market in Charlotte to be able to help make a difference in our community. I want to continue to see her efforts on that, and I hope we get to see and work with her for another 20 years. Dr. Sailer, best wishes to you and your family, and we really, really appreciate all that you've done for our community and the people that you serve.
Dr. Sailer, congratulations on your 20th anniversary. We're so excited for you, and I truly appreciate on behalf of Charlotte Community Health Clinic everything that the organization has done for our patients.
We would not be the same organization at Charlotte Community Health Clinic without the help of the Physicians Reach Out program and all of the partnership at Caring. Thank you for being a clinical voice guiding all of that, and we look forward to the next 20 years of partnership.
Hi, Dr. Sailer, Nicole Bonnie-Henny here. On behalf of NC Medicine and all of our shared patients, thank you so much for your commitment to provide compassionate and quality care to patients who need it the most, but more so your dedication to making sure every patient feels as though they're the only patient in the world. Congratulations on 20 years.
Hi, Dr. Sailer. Happy 20th anniversary. This is an amazing accomplishment and milestone. We, as the providers, are absolutely honored and privileged to work with you on a daily basis. You have, over the last 2 years, helped me develop into an excellent provider and constantly give great feedback, guidance, and support. We're actually happy to come to work every day, and we know that we can call you at any point. You've accomplished so much, and I look forward to so many more years working with you. You're small but mighty, and you have an amazing sense of humor, an amazing way with the providers, the staff, and the patients, and we're just honored to know you and work with you every day.
Dr. Sailer, I want to congratulate for your amazing 20 years anniversary. I also want to thank you for the amazing job you do in our community. You are a town hero. Without you, our patients, they cannot have the quality healthcare service they have right now. I also want to thank you because you did an amazing effort trying to provide rheumatology classes for all the providers. That make us grow professionally and also provide better quality service for our patients. I hope you have an amazing celebration as you deserve. Felicidades y muchas gracias por todo.
Hi, Dr. Sailer. Happy anniversary. Congratulations on making it 20 years serving in this Mecklenburg area. It takes true compassion, love, and humility to do everything that you've done over these years. And I pray you see the rewards and the appreciation from everyone you come in contact with for the way that you serve. This is truly a legacy, and I'm excited to continue serving alongside you for many years to come. Congratulations.
Hi, Dr. Sailer. I wanted to take this opportunity to say congratulations on the last 20 years at Caring. It has been a pleasure serving alongside you for the past 5 years. You have truly been a blessing to the patients that we serve, and on a personal level, as a colleague, a friend. It has been just a journey that I was not expecting when I started here at Caring, knowing everything that you have been through, continue to work through, and everything that our future holds. I can't wait to continue to see how we grow as an organization, and I'm really excited to be here, and I just wanted to take this opportunity to say thank you for everything that you do for us, the patients, and our community.
Happy anniversary, Dr. Sailer, 20 years. Thank you for welcoming me open arms here at Caring. Started as a pharmacist doing the med charts, and here we are with full time. So pleasure to always work with you, always looking to optimize what we could do in the clinic, helping the patients, and just always trying to think of what we could do to be better. So I'm very happy to be working with you on several projects, and I look forward to continuing to work for many more years. So happy anniversary again. Thank you.
Hey, Dr. Sailer, I can't believe it's been 20 years. Congratulations. Thank you so much for everything you do to the community. Thank you for everything you do for Physicians Reach Out. We truly appreciate you.
Happy anniversary, Dr. Sailer.
Happy anniversary, Dr. Sailer. We greatly appreciate your dedication to the community, our clients, and just so glad to be here with you, and we wish you another 20 more years. Yay!
Happy anniversary, Dr. Sailer. We are so grateful and thankful to have you here. Thank you for all your support to case management.
Thank you, Dr. Sailer, for 20 years.
From your friends at NFB.
Dr. Sailer, congratulations on your award. I've really been here a short while with you, so I don't have any really stories to tell or any memories, because I've just been creating new memories. But in the 4.5 years that I've been here, you've been an absolute dream to work for. You are always conscientious. You always ask me how I feel every day, which is awesome. A lot of bosses could care less. So I'm very impressed with the program here. I am very happy to be the nurse case manager here and work with our community as we are. You've really inspired me to do something different with my career other than be the hospital nurse. So hats off to you, congratulations.
Dr. Sailer, thank you so much for your commitment, your compassion, your leadership. Thank you for your love for Caring, and we just thank you for being here. You have been such a blessing. Happy 20th anniversary.
Words to describe Dr. Sailer and what she means to me, pretty much I work here because of her. She is my mentor. I care about people, and I wanted to work in a place where we made a difference in people's lives. And the minute I met her as the medical director of the clinic, that very first meeting, I knew she was going to support me, and she was going to support what I care about in the underserved community, that we would work together to make a difference. And we certainly have over the last 10 years. She is always available for me. She has integrity as a professional medical provider. She is there for her team. She'll do anything for us. She's always, always, always available. And I'm so grateful for the years we've worked together, the time we have together when we do get to see patients together, talk about patient care. She's amazing, and I'm just grateful that she's my mentor and the doctor I get to work with. She's amazing. So happy 20 years, Dr. Sailer. You know you're the best.
Dr. Sailer, you've seen our organization grow and transformed to being a leader in community health.
You've touched the lives of thousands of people through your holistic approach of listening and addressing both their health needs and life circumstances.
We appreciate your contributions to improving the health of people in our community who would otherwise go without care.
Happy 20th anniversary, Dr. Sailer!
Dr. Sailer, on behalf of everyone here at Caring,
teammates, patients, volunteers, and donors alike, know that we are exceptionally grateful to you for your steadfast commitment to community health. Your time here at Caring has been invaluable. While I've only been here a short time, what I've grown to know of you and how you serve has created within me a sense of comfort in my role. I can trust that you'll always lead from a place of humility, compassion, and altruism. This organization would not be what it is today if not for your courage and enduring commitment to servicing those who entrust us with their care each and every day. In our nearly 7 decades of existence, the 20 years you've been here to serve have undoubtedly been our best. So thank you. Thank you for your professional dedication, but more importantly, thank you for being authentically who you are. I am in your debt.
Hi, Mom. Congratulations on your 20th working anniversary. I am so proud of you. Love you, Vivi.
Hey Mom, happy 20 years in service with Caring. It's crazy that you've been working there now for pretty much as old as I am. And yeah, even though I don't, get to see you in the workplace doing your thing, it still has just been such an inspiration to watch you work with Caring, because I think so many of the things that you care so much about for Caring, whether that's your passion for serving others or your passion for community care, are just things that I think I've just picked up on so much and really, really try to carry it with me in the work that I do. So it's just been such an inspiration and such a privilege to get to watch you do that, and you are amazing. So congratulations. I love you so much.
Hi, Mom. Congratulations on your 20th work anniversary. I'm grateful to say that I have known Dr. Sailer even longer than most of you all, nearly 25 years, the entirety of my life. It has been an incredible privilege to grow up with a mom who has found such deep purpose and meaning in her career. You inspire me every day to practice kindness and compassion and humility in all that I do. As Dr. Sailer's daughter, I have seen her up at 1 a.m., still working on her charts and transcribing her handwritten notes on our kid-sized playroom table. I've listened to her gentle voice on the phone, caring for patients for months while we were all back living together during the pandemic. And I've been privy to many a Caring meeting she's called into on the phone while picking us up from school or extracurriculars or other family activities. The way you have put so much of yourself into your patients and into Caring while also being there for me, Ryan, and Vivian for every moment of our lives is truly incredible. You are Superwoman in our eyes. As I embark on this next chapter in my own life, I aspire to give back to my community in the way that you have. I love you so much, and I am so proud to be your daughter.
Hello, everyone. My name is Tuan Huynh. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Dr. Kaaren Sailer's lesser half. Well, first of all, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Caring, the director, Genevia, Jennifer Peel, and the rest of the staff who made this occasion possible. I know it means a lot to Kaaren. I think I'd like to share with you some of the traits that Kaaren has that may or may not be well known to the rest of you. I think her passion for serving the underserved started at a very young age. The children often ask when and how you decided to go into medicine. And in a typical Kaaren Sailer's way, she would say, well, I'm not sure. I think it was in grade school. When we were in medical school, a lot of our classmates would take electives at exotic places like Alaska and places like that for the elective rotation. Well, Kaaren chose to go to the four corners of New Mexico and Arizona to the Navajo Indian Reservation to get exposure about the conditions and the healthcare environment in that part of the country and that patient population. So I think she's always been interested in serving the underserved. The other I would like to share with you is maybe a little bit of an idiosyncrasy and I think fairly strange about Kaaren. When we were again in med school, in the early spring, and you realize that in Seattle, Washington, this is after about 10 months of drizzling and gray skies, a lot of our classmates would choose to skip class, yours truly included. On a Friday afternoon when it's beautiful outside, sunny, with the fresh air of the spring, and bioethics, yuck. Microbiology, we would skip classes. Well, Kaaren never skipped a single class. That's very strange to me. At any rate, I think this is a two-way relationship for Kaaren in terms of caring and what she can do to impact the community. And again, I'd like to thank Kaaren for recognizing her contributions to the community, the health care that you provide to the underserved. It's her passion, and I think it means a lot to her to be recognized on this occasion. So thank you so much. Enjoy.